Welcome to M CAD Solutions. In this video, we are exploring the industrial visit that was done at Indoko Engineers. Indoko Engineers is a leading engineering consultancy firm in Chakan, Pune. They specialize in the design, manufacturing, and construction of industrial plants and equipment. The students were given a factory tour and saw the actual manufacturing process firsthand. The manufacturing process includes welding, drilling, milling, facing, and different types of holes. They also saw a CMM machine, which measures the accuracy of parts. The students learned about the different types of guns that are used in manufacturing, as well as the use of robots and grippers. They also learned about the use of shims to ensure the accuracy of parts. The students were particularly interested in the weldment part and the gascut part. The students also learned about the importance of fixtures in manufacturing. Fixtures are devices that hold parts in place during manufacturing operations. The students saw how fixtures are designed and used to ensure that parts are manufactured accurately. The students found the industrial visit to be very informative and useful. They said that it helped them to better understand the manufacturing process and the challenges that manufacturers face. They also said that they appreciated the opportunity to see the actual products that they are learning to design. At the end of the tour, the students had a question and answer session with the engineers and technicians from Indoko. The students found the question and answer session to be very informative and helpful. They said that it helped them to better understand the challenges and opportunities in the manufacturing industry. M CAD Solutions conducts industrial visits for students on a regular basis. The company believes that these visits are an important way to help students learn about the manufacturing industry and to prepare them for their future careers.